In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter emails in Microsoft Outlook. If your inbox ever feels overwhelming, filtering is a quick way to zero in on exactly what you need without digging through every message. Think of it as a temporary lens you place over your inbox to show only the emails that match what you care about in the moment. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook and going to your inbox. If you have multiple email accounts added, make sure you've selected the right inbox so you're filtering the messages you actually want to see. Give Outlook a second to fully load so the toolbar at the top is ready. On Windows, look at the top of the screen on the ribbon for the Home tab. That's where most everyday tools live. On a Mac, you'll be working from the Organize tab, which groups similar options together. In either case, you're looking for the option that lets you filter email. On Windows, it's labeled Filter Email. On Mac, you'll find similar filtering options within the Organize area. The location may shift slightly depending on your window size, so if your Outlook window is narrow, maximize it so the button is easier to spot. Click Filter Email to open a list of simple, focused choices. These include unread, has attachments, for a specific sender, and time-based options like this week or this month. Each one instantly narrows your view, so you only see messages that match. Choose Unread when you want to catch up quickly on messages you haven't opened yet. This is perfect for trimming down